Oh, morning everybody, it's StackSmart here again, and yeah, here we are Tuesday morning again, and a big thank you to all my recent subs up at 950. I'm trying to get to 1,000 for the summer. If you're watching the video and you haven't subscribed and you're enjoying it, then please click the link below to subscribe, and I'll bring you bi-weekly content to help you stack better. This channel's especially for new, well, and experienced stackers really. The first thing is to show you how to buy the correct coins at the right price, and also to just go through some knowledge and share knowledge about silver stacking over time. So those are the main objectives of the channel, just to help people stack smart together. So the first thing that I normally do is look at the charts. And I said last time that this line 15.84 would provide significant resistance to the downside, which it has. It's bounced off it 3 times in 3 days, and I'm not sure whether it's just going to continue the falling 3 pattern to the downside, or whether we're going to see a bounce off this line. But there certainly is a lot of resistance. These 3 red lines are all resistance lines to prevent the price from going downside, but it's difficult to know whether that'll be breached or not. But if these 3 lines get breached, then we are going to be looking at a significant downside spike, probably similar to this other one that we had the other time. So that's the charts today. Like I say, quite a lot of resistance to these lines, so we'll have to see whether this Greek crisis is going to rally the metals today, which is tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So that's where we are with the charts. Yeah, I've entitled this video "Why I Sold My Silver," and the reason for that is that I had an email over the last couple of days from a guy who wanted to see to buy a couple of coins, and for me to bring some others for him to look at. And in essence, I sold up some of the coins that I'd been purchasing over the last few years in order to buy more silver. So this part of the video is why you should be a stack and flip stacker over a stack and hold stacker. Now, just to clarify, a stack and hold stacker is a metal collector who collects as much metal at spot price or below as possible, and then when the financial crisis hits or silver goes up, you know, a good amount, they sell their silver, buy other assets with it. The kind of prepper type stack and hold stackers, they don't like to pay a premium on any of the silver they're buying. They just like to buy the metal, and that's to protect their wealth, and later on they can sell it up and buy another asset class. So that's a stack and hold stacker. I'm a stack and flip stacker, which is I buy the metals early in the release or slightly later, and then I wait for those releases to escalate, and then I sell them for a profit and buy more metals. So this morning I want to go into a flip, which is where yesterday I sold 8.5 ounces for a significant premium, and I've bought some more metal. So just to go through what I sold, it was a 2010 Lunar Tiger, a 2009 Panda, a 2010 Panda, a Lunar Snake, a Lunar Dragon, a Lunar Horse, a Lunar Mouse, a Lunar Ox, and a Lunar Rabbit. That was a ½ ounce rabbit. So I sold 8.5 ounces of silver, and I cost averaged at £37 an ounce on that silver, making £315 for those 8.5 ounces. And out of that purchase, I've already purchased 2 2008 Pandas at 35 quid off eBay, 2 a Koala which I'd got missing in my collection, and a 2014 Cook. I paid £22 for those. I bought 2 2010 Pandas, and off a friend of mine I bought a lunar tiger, a lunar snake and a lunar dragon. My total ounces was 9 ounces and my total cost was £247.50, making an average per ounce of 27.5. Now the reason that I paid out a lot more than spot on 3 coins, which were my 2008 pandas and my tiger, is that already on eBay these coins are, well, if I go down the list here, the 2008s are at least 60 quid on eBay, and the tiger is around 45 quid, so I've already made my money back on them. The snakes on eBay are going for 30 quid and the dragons on eBay are going for 30 quid. So what I tend to do when I'm buying silver is I'm already purchasing them with a profit in them a lot of the time, so that I can't lose any money. Anyway, so just wanted to say there that I bought 9 ounces for 247 quid. I'd sold my 8 ounces for 315 quid, so I flipped 8.5 ounces, bought 9 ounces and pocketed 65 quid. I might buy another 3 or 4 coins if I go on to Silver to Go. Let me have a look. Let's have a look on SGT on here. So let's pick something that I could buy that I like. All the pandas have been sold out on here now for a few days, which is a shame. But say if I went into Somalian elephants, and they're £13.19, so let's have a look back on my spreadsheet. So for I could buy elephants at, obviously got £10 postage, but save equals 13 times 5. Yep, it's 65 quid plus £10 postage would give me 75. So I could buy another 4 elephants for the amount that I paid, giving me 5 extra ounces. Anyway, I don't want to dwell too much on that, but in essence what I'm saying is that sometimes it's good to take a sell position on your coins to flip them. I paid a bit over spot on my 2008 pandas because I know how much they're worth, and ended up with, well, could end up with another 5 ounces on top on that flip. Anyway, so that's the reason that I'm a stack and flip stacker over a stack and hold stacker. Know where your sell position is, and don't be afraid to move some metal on if the right deal comes up, which did for me. So anyway, I hope that's legible. It's difficult to relay that type of information, but in essence the price of silver, I think we might see this be static until tomorrow, and then see a rally off the bottom of these support lines. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and thumbs up the video. That'll help me grow the channel, bring you the content, and there you go. So that's my reasons why I sold my silver, and hope you enjoyed that. Let's stack smart together, and I'll see you on Thursday.